So this is the June RoccaBox. The edit is called Award Winners. So let's have a little gander in here to see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Today's video is this. I think I'm a little bit late with this because this went to my old address and I think they've had it for about a week. But we've got it now, so we'll do the unboxing. This is the June RoccaBox. Let's open her on up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell. Oh, I can't get it open. Ugh. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you have not already, smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel so much and I would very much so appreciate it. So we have reached 2,000 subscribers. Yay! I'm so happy. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed yet, a good incentive is that we have the giveaway video up and running now. I'll link it here. Go watch that video and see how you can enter and be in with a chance to win one of 3 great prizes. The main prize is the Glossy 2021 Advent Calendar, which is chef's kiss. But enough of that. Let's have a little sneaky peek in here. If you are interested in getting this box for yourself, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box below for you and in the comments. If you click that link, is there a code as well or is it just a link? I think it's just a link. It'll get the box 50% off. So this costs £17.95. That does include postage. Let's take a little peek. We have the edit card, which just basically, if I can open it, what's going on today, which has all the information on the products in here, which is excellent. We have, what's that, some leaflety thing. That's not a very good sneak peek. Let's move everything up to the top. There you go, there is your little sneak peek for you. So I've just got the edit card here. It says this edit is called Award Winners. Yeah, let's get to it. Have a good dig through to see exactly what we've got. Quickly back to the edit card there. They have a rather large editor's note there. We're going to be cheeky and just read the last little paragraph because I am lazy and it will take forever. So it just says this box is worth £143. These are the products that have made it into this month's box, have impressed us enough for us to award them winning status. These are the products, brands and formulas that have gone the extra mile to exceed our needs and scoop a Rocca award for their efforts, and now you can enjoy them too. Product number 1 we have is this. So this is by the brand Skimono, and this is Radiance Recovery Eye Mask. This is a full-size product and it has an RRP of £10. It just says it was actually an international makeup artist that alerted us to the benefits of these eye masks. Claim it leaves her clients' delicate under eye noticeably softer and lightly plumped, but without the greasy film left behind by many other eye masks that makes them unsuitable for use before makeup. You too can use yours as a skin plumping prior to under eye concealer. It will provide a hydration hit, brightening boost and relief for tired eyes without causing your concealer to smudge, thanks to the combo advanced liposome technology, plumping collagen, inflammation reducing peptides, calming chamomile, refreshing cucumber and firming brightening vitamin C. So I love eye masks. I don't think I've tried eye masks by this brand before. So yes, I am certainly going to enjoy using them, and they are going to be used within the next few days because, like I say, love using these. Put them on and forget that they're there. Product number 2 we have is this. So this is by the brand We Are Paradox, and this is Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner. So I actually have done a review on this product before. I will link that video just up there. Give it a click and go and have a look. It just says this has an RRP of £10.50 and this is a deluxe size, which I think is quite a decent size for a deluxe size, if I'm honest. There's 50 mils in here. It just says the fact that this is described as a mind-blowing multitasker gives some indication as to why it's such a hit. It's rare that the product can perform several functions effectively, and yet this product does exactly that. work into wet hair, and rinse if you want to use it as a conditioner. Slather it on towel dried hair and leave if you want a leave-in treatment, or smear a little on your dry locks when you're in need of a gloss boosting finishing balm. Hail the hero, particularly on bleach, coarse and unruly locks. No matter how you use this, smoother, sleeker, super soft locks will be given. So I don't want to give too much away on this product. Again, I have done the review, so make sure to go and check that out. But we have received this a few times now by a few different boxes, so it is verging on. We've kind of received this a lot, if I'm honest. The third product we have is this. I love the colour of that packaging. So this is by the brand Nip and Fab, and it's Salicylic Fix Scrub. The RRP for this is £9.95, and this is a full-size product. So Nip and Fab do some great affordable products. It just is a combination of chemical exfoliants, namely salicylic acid, and physical ones in the form of volcanic rock scrub, a natural and high effective exfoliant. Makes this a deeply cleansing, dull skin slaying product that will leave your skin brighter, softer, clearer and instantly smoother. If exfoliating makes you nervous, then don't worry. The addition of vitamin E acts as a powerful conditioning agent and antioxidant, making sure the skin isn't left stripped. Excellent for blemish-prone skin, congested complexions and acne, with salicylic acid touted by dermatologists as the go-to ingredient to reduce blemishes and block pores. I'm really struggling to talk today. Love this brand, love receiving different products by them. I don't think I've tried this one before. Not that I remember. I could be lying. But yeah, I love a good exfoliation. Maybe a bit too much, but yeah. Love it. Product number 4 we have is this. So this is by the brand Able Skincare London, and this is Prestige Anti-Aging Duo Moisturizer. Wow, holy moly, this is a full size and it's worth £104. We have been receiving a lot of Able skincare in different beauty boxes. I don't think I've received this one before, which is fantastic. Love getting a new product. And it just says, we don't say this lightly. Don't underestimate the potential of this to totally transform your skin. Harbouring the most advanced delivery system for getting active ingredients into your skin, this revolutionary cream targets specific cells within your skin, hitting them with glycolic acid and peptides where they are needed most. The result is your skin is tightened where it's needed, wrinkles are reduced in the appearance, and the areas in need of retexturizing are evened out. Genius. And if it does all that, yes, wow, genius. So this is full size, like I said, it's 30 mils. Is that, it's sealed, I ain't opening that, no way. That is expensive stuff, and I want to make sure it's nice, fresh and crisp when I slap that on my face. Yeah, I can't wait to use that. Love a bit of luxury skincare. The 5th product we have is this. So this is by Saturated Colours, and this is Colour Swatch Lipstick. The RRP for this is £9, and it is a full size. It just says, if you've ever wished you could ever so slightly tweak that absolute favourite lippy and make it a shade or two lighter, then you'll love this innovative product. It looks like a white lipstick, but it is actually used either as a base under your lippy or as a top layer over it to alter the shade as much or as little as you want. A great tool for when you want to switch up your look without reaching for an entirely different lip colour. Maybe your skin shade has gone a little darker in the sun, or you want to take your makeup look from day to night. You can create up to 6 different shades from this one lipstick. An excellent way to make your lippy go and work even harder for you. Okay, you have my attention. I actually do have some lippies that I love that are a little bit too dark. Well, sometimes when I'm in the mood for a lighter lipstick, they're a little bit too dark. But this is what it looks like. Ooh. I don't know how you get into it. This is tricky. Oh, you just pull it off. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, and there. Okay. It feels nice and hydrating and just like a normal lipstick, to be honest. My nose isn't picking up anything, but I don't think my nose is working at the moment. But yeah, I can't wait to give that a go and test it out on some of my darker lipsticks. And we have an extra treat in the box, which is this. So this is RoccaBox 3-in-1 Anti-Redness Miracle Formula SPF 50. Let's have a look. Developed especially for hypersensitive and redness prone skin, this unique SPF provides an instant concealing effect through the unique microencapsule technology that offers redness reducing clinically proven ingredients: abysmal, zollolite, probably saying that wrong, provitamin B5, urea, shea butter. Skin stays protected long term from UVA, UVB rays, with a 5-star rated SPF. Okay, I love SPF. I don't get that much redness on my face, but I'll certainly be interested in trying that out because, like I say, I wear SPF every single day of the year, so cool. Right guys, so this is the June RoccaBox. This edit is called Award Winners. What do you think? Personally, I think I like this box. There's just one product in it for me that's which is the hair mask or multitasking hair thing by Paradox. Because we've received it so much, I would love to see a different product by Paradox in a beauty box. But yeah, love some eye mask, love a bit of SPF. Love a bit of nip and fab, exfoliation, absolutely fabulous. A bit of luxury skincare, don't mind if I do, that sounds amazing. And then the colour lipstick lightener thing. Yeah, I'm really liking it, What are your thoughts? Comment down below, I am nosy. Again, if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. Click that link, get your first box 50% off. It's £15 for the box and then £2.95 postage. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.